Hi, folks. There's been some changes in the course, deadlines, and some assignments have been added, or rather, the missing assignments have been added. And I wanted you to walk with me through the course as I'm going to show you so that I can answer any questions that some of you have been sending to me. Basically, a lot of the assignments from now until this week, the 5th week, are due by November 19th by midnight, and from here on in, after this week, we'll be concentrating on 3 more assignments and focusing on developing our ePortfolio. So I want us to work on that, and I'll be developing my ePortfolio so that you can see that as well. All right, so here's a clip on the course. I wanted to show you some things and changes now that everything has been uploaded for the course from here to the end. In weekly lessons, okay, week 1, everything there remains the same, nothing has changed, and that was your Quality World assignment. I'm still missing one or two of them, so please get them in. I'm usually lenient, but I don't like to be taken advantage of. All right, so send those in. Week 2, this also remains the same. There's been no changes here. But Folio Tech is something that you should have started in week 2, and if you haven't, you should get on it right away. Basically, what we're doing with Folio Tech and the assignments for the courses is all of the assignments for the courses, you can change them, adapt them, or put them as they are into your Folio Tech. Your Folio Tech, your ePortfolio, is the manner in which you've shown what you've learned in the course and how you've grown or developed within the course, academically with all your courses and your academic goals. Okay, week 3, this has changed. I added the Smarter Measure and Learning Styles, the library assignment, and useful information for your scavenger hunt. Your library assignment is a scavenger hunt. Okay, we want you to learn how to use the online tools of the library at Mountain View College, how to search, how to spot good sources, good resources, how to identify and differentiate what's a good resource and what's not, how to learn about what's a primary source and a secondary source. Okay, so I know this assignment has been a bit late. I'm about 2 weeks behind on posting this assignment because I've been working on a lot of one-on-one things, and it's quite frankly just put me behind my schedule. So this won't be due until midnight, Monday, November 19th. Okay. Again, if you have any questions on that library assignment, there's an online library help. You can also email a librarian. You can also chat with a librarian. Also, go on Facebook. Maybe some of your colleagues in the class are having the same problems. Okay, so go on there and share what you are learning. Okay. So we have an assignment due on the library assignment is due, the syllabus said Monday, October 29th. That is due on Monday, October 19th. Okay, week 4, you have the readings on chapter 3 and 4 of the text. But primarily for this week, what you're doing is working on your personal profile project, okay, and ePortfolio. This is another assignment, personal profile project assignment, of the 6 assignments or 5 in the library, 6 assignments that you have. And this assignment will also be due on Monday by midnight, November 19th. Okay. Again, if you have any questions on how to do the assignment, okay, please let me know. Pay attention to the rubric. Okay. The rubric will show how the papers are graded. Okay. And you've already done some of the work for this assignment with the MBTI, Myers-Briggs things, okay, and the VARC. So, just putting it together. Okay, week 5, which is November 5th to November 9th, okay. That's our current week. We are currently on week 5. This week is week 5, which ends tomorrow. So on week 5, you're working on Eportfolio parts 1 through 4. Okay. Part 1 through 4, and these will be due November 19th. And you're also doing a midterm exam. Okay. Your midterm exam will also be due November 19th. Now the question is, where is that midterm exam? If you go over here to quizzes and exams, click on the midterm exam. Okay, this midterm exam covers chapters 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 12, 13, 15, and 16. Okay, we're not doing chapter 14, okay, in this part of the exam. Let me explain some of this to you. As some of you have been looking for quizzes and the quiz has not been there, I went back and forth with the quizzes, and the quizzes were handed to me. There's an EDUC 1300 group, and I quite frankly I wasn't satisfied with the concept of doing a quiz. And so what I did, I toyed around with writing up a midterm exam online, and then I wasn't satisfied with having a pick a choice kind of exam. I like this exam because, one, we are engaging all students in writing, and everybody can always improve their writing, and this exam where you have to write provides you with that opportunity to work on your writing. Okay. If you need guidance on writing an essay, if you'll see some of the right here, like chapter 5, it says create an essay topic, write an essay. If you need information or help on writing an essay, you can go to OWL at English Purdue. They have wonderful, wonderful resources. Or this is at Purdue University, and all of the colleges use this site because it's just so wonderful. Now, on the exam, if you see here, it says you may select any manner in which you want to present your responses. You're free to turn the questions into a hypothesis or thesis statement if you wish. Be creative. You are free to create a video, a poem, a short story, absolutely any manner in which you want to present your knowledge. I rather that you demonstrate your individuality if you want to. It's up to you. And if you want to write or do a video or I don't know, something better than PowerPoint, something called Prezi, Prezi.com. However you want to demonstrate your knowledge acquisition, that's up to you. If you just want to take each response in a Word document and answer all of the questions or do all the tasks accordingly, that's fine too. I just want to put that out there because sometimes folks just want to do something differently, okay? And so I'm telling you that you have the opportunity to do that. Okay, so here we have Chapter 1. Answer these questions. Chapter 2, respond to these matters, and so forth. Chapter 3, 4, 5, 12, 13, 15, and 16 you select and you respond to any of the ones in the book. Okay. The other one here, Chapter 5, it's a freebie in the sense that you create the essay topic. Okay, so you would create the title of the essay from this chapter and you would write about it. Okay. Forget about where it says only one topic allowed from this chapter as part of your 2 essays. Previously, in the beginning for this test, there were 2 essays, so all this section here, forget about it. Okay, just you create the essay topic from this chapter and write about it. Okay. All right. So everything from week 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is due by November 19th. The midterm exam is also due by November 19th, by Monday. All right, in week 6, you have your readings, working on your ePortfolio, and you have a learning assignment. Okay. This learning assignment is also due by November 19th. Okay. So there's, as you can see, there's a lot of work, and it's all being coming due by November 19th. Okay, week 7. In week 7, you work on the Start Learning page of your ePortfolio, okay, and your reading assignments, okay. By week 8, we have a behavioral change project, okay, and you'll be using the trap test for that, all right, and your reading assignments. By week 9, you have a course reflection assignment, working on your portfolio, and a reading assignment. By week 10, you should have finalized your ePortfolio, and we have our final exam, which will be in the same format for as the midterm. The final exam will be covering chapters 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, and 14, right? And it'll be the same format. If you want, actually, I may consider posting the final exam now, maybe over the weekend, so that those of you who are moving ahead and fast can at least begin seeing what's coming down the pipeline. Now, please note here about the final exam. I'm sorry, and the ePortfolio. The ePortfolio will be due Monday morning by 9 on December 10th. Okay, as you know, everything we've had has been due by Monday morning in the evening at midnight. But as we approach the last couple of days in week 10, you'll be sharing your portfolio with your classmates and possibly with the EDUC 1300 group at Mountain View College. I'm not sure about that yet. I'll let you know. But because of that, we can't wait till Monday midnight because the class ends on December 13th. And if we wait till midnight, then we only have 2 days instead of 3 to share your portfolio. So, please note, Monday morning at 9. The final exam could be posted by Monday midnight, December 10th. Okay. So basically, when we look at the schedule, everything from up to week 6 is due by the Monday the 19th. Okay. If you need more time, please let me know beforehand. If you need assistance, please let me know beforehand. So up to now, if you've handed in your Quality World assignment and you've participated in discussion boards, you have those points. Look at the syllabus. You have those points up to now. So the bulk of your points and a better understanding of where you're standing will be after November 19th. Okay, but right now you can check yourself as an autonomous learner by looking at your rubric, your syllabus, and seeing whether you've participated in discussion board and whether you've done your assignment, which up to now, as of today, would be My Quality World, right? I've posted 2 new discussion board topics. This one entitled Goals, and this one entitled College Resources. From here on in, the course kind of moves a little faster. It's only a 10-week course, and so we're going to be doing a lot of work. Okay, hang in there. Try not to fall back. If you need some assistance, let me know. I'm always plugged on Blackboard M. Okay. Let me see. We got a question here about portfolio. Okay. Alrighty. Well, that'll be it. If you have any questions, call me, email me, or look me up online. Alrighty. Bye.